Welcome to the eDoc Builder training series. In this lesson, we will see template assets font using the base fonts included with eDoc Builder, as well as uploading your own fonts for templates. We will begin by logging into the eDoc Builder account. Go to any of your existing template and click on Edit. You are on the Assets page. Part of creating your template requires that you upload the fonts that will be needed. eDoc Builder provides several base fonts, but all other fonts purchased for your template will need to be uploaded so they can be viewed and embedded in your final production PDF. You can manage fonts that should be accessible to many templates in the Fonts Library tab. To set fonts option for a specific template, expand the Fonts section of a template's asset page. Before we see further about the Fonts section in the Assets tab, we will see the type of font formats which are included and allowed with the eDoc Builder. OpenType.otf, TrueType, that is .ttf, or Type 1 fonts. For Type 1 fonts, both our .pfb and .pfm file must be uploaded together. Do not upload the AFM file if present. At this time, all fonts must be in a Windows file format. Mac fonts and other unsupported font type will have to be converted to the Windows version of one of the file type listed above, using one of the many inexpensive conventional utilities available. Uploading font. You can upload multiple font files at once by either click on Select or choose your file from the computer. Please remember the font files uploaded in this area will not be available for use by other template. This is only to specific this template. If you will need the font in more than one template, you should upload it to the font library page or at the global level. After your fonts have been uploaded, they will appear in the list of uploaded fonts. To delete a font you have uploaded to the template, place a check mark next to the font and click Delete Selected Files. To easily select all uploaded font, click Check All, and to cancel this, check Uncheck All. Advanced options for the uploaded fonts. If you need more control on how the fonts are used in the final PDF, click the checkbox for the Show Advanced option. With this option, you can select for each uploaded font whether you would like to encode with Unicode or Latin, and whether you would like to embed the full or just the subset needed for the template. Choosing Unicode and Latin for the encoding option is really dependent on how the font being used is created. Basically, old font versus newer font. Tip: if the production PDF is displaying the fonts incorrectly, try changing the encode to Latin from Unicode. The embedding option can be set to embed full if you are seeing any individual characters drop out on the production PDF. Using Japanese, Simple Chinese, Traditional Chinese, or Korean font. For embedding foreign character sets, we would generally suggest using Unicode rather than one of the specific language. Sometimes there can be issues with the particular fonts, but it's probably the most mainstream modern approach and least likely to result in issues. Font library. In this section, you will see a list of all the fonts that are currently present in the Fonts Library tab of your eDoc Builder account. To enable one or more of the library fonts in a template, place a check mark in the box next to the font. Check the box next to include all library fonts or including future additions if you would like to enable all of the fonts that are or will be uploaded to the font library tab in this template. Base fonts. eDoc Builder contains several base fonts that do not need to be uploaded to your account for use in templates, like Tinos, Arimo, or Cuisine. If there are some base font that you would want accessible in this template, uncheck the box next to the font in the base fonts area. Important. After making any changes in the font section of the templates page, click Save Font option. Thank you for watching this video. And for more information, please refer to our support page regarding fonts library or fonts in the template assets tab.